Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by ensuring the essentials are in place and then trigger the upload. First, make sure iCloud Photos is enabled and you're signed into the correct Apple ID. Once done, connect to a fast Wi-Fi network and plug the iPhone into power so uploads aren't suspended. Next, enable Background App Refresh and open the Photos app to wake the sync process. If you have very large videos, start with a subset of albums to push initial data faster. Now you optimize how data moves and manage the queue. You should prefer keeping originals only if your device and connection can handle larger files. Otherwise, use Optimize iPhone storage for space. To reset a stalled queue, pause iCloud Photos by toggling it off then on, or briefly enable airplane mode and disable it. This forces the upload service to restart. Also, split large libraries into smaller batches. Pick 100 to 200. Finish by confirming everything uploaded and putting safeguards in place. You should inspect the upload status in Settings Photos, and in the Photos app, look for progress indicators or pending items. Make sure the phone stays on power and Wi-Fi until complete. If syncing stalls, restart your iPhone and router, free 1 to 2 gigabytes of storage, then retry. If that fails, sign out and back into iCloud to refresh authentication, and contact Apple support as a last resort for account or server issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.